welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna show you how you can share location on WhatsApp. So if you use WhatsApp and you want to share location but don't know how to, then this video is for you. So to get it started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp application. And once you are inside WhatsApp, you will be appear with this chat section on your mobile screen. Now choose the chat you want to share your location for. For instance, I'm choosing myself to share my location. Now click on that attachment arrow or something like that just near the camera icon. Now there you can see location option, click on it, and from here you can share your live location or your home location. For instance, I'm sharing my live location here. I'm sending it here, and as you can see, my location has been already shared. So that's all guys. This is how easily you can share your location on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.